Good morning, my people. How's everyone doing? How's everybody doing, guys? Today's a big stream. It's a special stream. We're doing a giveaway as promised. I'm giving away 250k accounts. But firstly, before getting into that, guys, I've been looking at the chat. I see some people have already smashed that like button. So if you have not already, start liking the stream up, guys. Honestly, there's been such a good move on NQ. I just missed, but that does not mean it's over. Okay, I was looking to take a long, and I saw someone in the chat. It was, I think it was Dan. He was actually saying something about taking a long. So yeah, let's do a breakdown shortly of my bias for the day, and we can see where your guys' biases are, and then we can, you know, get into the shenanigans. All right, but first, as I always need to do nowadays, let me this chat, bro, is so broken. Let me just update this chat. But firstly, guys, tell me, how are you doing? How's everyone doing? How's your trading going so far this week? Passing accounts, getting payouts, blowing accounts. What's happening? What is happening? My chickens. I'm just setting up the okay, sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, yeah. Let's get going, guys. We're doing duck race today. We are doing the duck race. I know you guys love the duck race. So I'm giving away 250Ks. 250Ks today on stream. Okay, we got toxic green. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I lost 3 accounts yesterday. I'm a new trader, it's normal. Yeah, dude, it's absolutely normal. You are gonna lose accounts in the beginning. It's guaranteed. But now you're in the right place, so hopefully we can try to prevent that from happening a lot more, you know? Yeah, today is CPI, guys. It's CPI. I will, however, be trading CPI. But when I say trading it, I will be looking to trade today. Usually, there's a lot of volume in the market, right? It does not mean we can't scalp a move, okay? There is volume. That does not mean we can't scalp a move, okay? I'm keen to scalp a move. I did yesterday take a loss, I won't lie. I traded New York session, I took a loss, and then I took another trade, and then I took a win. And then so at least I made that loss back. I still need to, you know, make one good trade before taking payout. I'm not far away from, you know, reaching my goal of taking that payout because I do want a big buffer in my account. Let's see. I'm going to use good risk management today. I am going to, you know, size down a bit. I'm not going to, you know, go big like I've recently been going, but I'm going to still take a trade. If there's a setup, I will size down a little bit. Yeah, that's it really. That's my plan. I'm just going to be cautious. It is CPI, but that's not going to stop me from winning. So you know the vibe. And then, yeah, guys, in the stream, we are going to do the giveaway. Guys, we are going to do the giveaway. I'm giving away 250K accounts. And for the locals, for the OGs in the chat, you know how it goes, right? You know how this giveaway goes. We are going to do the duck race. I know a lot of you guys love the duck race. But what we're going to do, guys, for the duck race, we're going to make it a longer duck race. So I'm going to make it a 10-minute long duck race for each, okay? To make it a lot more exciting. And it's going to be much cooler. 10-minute long duck race is going to be what we're going to do for the giveaway. So for the first giveaway, I'm not going to say when we're going to do it. You just have to be on stream. And yeah. And guys, for the first giveaway, if you are wanting to enter the giveaway, guys, you know the drill. You need to sign up with the link in the bio of the stream. Because guys, Funder Pro will not send you your account if you're not signed up through that link. They do check. You need to be signed up in the link in the bio to enter the giveaway, okay? And you have to be active in the chat because I'm going to be copying and pasting all the names in the chat. Yeah, so let's see if we're gonna get a setup, guys. If we don't get the setup, the stream, I will be trading New York session live in my Discord. It is live, so guys, if you want to be trading New York session with me, the link is in my Instagram bio. All right, guys, you can go and check that out if you're looking to trade New York session live with me. It is live, guys. It is live, so anyone can join. It's there, and there's a little code you guys can use to, you know, get yourself a cheeky little discount. But anyways, let's get to the chart breakdown because I don't want to miss a move. Firstly. Okay, guys, as we know, what do? We start on the daily. Let's look how yesterday's daily candle closed, right? Let's look at how yesterday's daily candle closed. I think today's going to surprise a lot of people, I won't lie. I think today we're going to have a big pullback. But we might have a rally first. We see. Okay, cool. Breakdown, guys. Yesterday, okay? Yesterday we didn't have the biggest trading day, okay? Look at Monday. That daily candle ain't so big, okay? Right? We are highly extended above EMA. We could very well have a pullback into EMA, which can be today, or maybe tomorrow, or even CPI could drop price today, okay? Let's see. I'm not going to predict it. I'm just going to follow and see what the market gives me. You know the vibes. You know how I do it. Okay. So let's see what the market's going to give Cameron. And yeah. So looking at today, guys. Yesterday, you know, we kind of ranged a bit. if you look at the candle, you know, we didn't have a big expansion. Today opened up, immediately created a small little top wick on that daily candle, and now we've flipped and we've gone bearish, and we are trading below yesterday's low. We could maybe just maybe look for scalping shorts, okay? But I have that at the back of my mind now. The 4 hourly. Oh, let me remove this drawings. Okay, guys, the 4 hourly. Okay, let's look at this. Notice how, look at how we had an inside bar. Okay, over here on the 4 hourly. What happened when we broke the low of that inside bar? We've been selling off since. Then we had another inside bar just above that EMA over here. And what happened? We've broken the low and now we're shorting. Guys, seeing this now, I'm probably leaning more towards the bearish side. So maybe I'm going to wait and look for a scalp to go short today, okay? It does look like price is a little bit exhausted. So I'm keen to kind of, you know, look for a short today. We are below the EMA on the 4 hourly. I have that in my mind as well, okay? We are below that 4 hourly EMA. So I know if we're below the EMA, we're going to potentially look for shorts, okay? You know the vibes, right? Hourly, what key levels do we have to trade? Let's see. Okay. Wow, it is a bit choppy on the hourly, I won't lie. It's not the greatest, but it's cool. We'll see what we got here. Okay, cool. So hourly, let's see. We had this level over here, okay? That we can see price broke through this level. Okay, and we're holding below it and below the EMA on the 1 hourly. All right, if we look to the left, guys, notice how price keeps wicking this level, just takes off. The buyers have failed to take control at this area. Looks like sellers are in control now. More confluence into shorting the market. Okay, so now any other levels I see there? I'm going to keep this level on over here because we can see prices respecting this level quite well, and we're below it. If we can start closing back above these levels, then you can maybe look for buys all the way back up into the highs, or I would say, let's just say, you know, maybe, just maybe. But right now, I'm going to look to short. And where do I want to look to short into today? Price could very well pull back. Yeah, price can pull back quite a bit today. I think the price is going to probably fall all of this here. So I think there is clear space, right? There's no noise to the left. We just got this. So I do think price can easily pull back into, what will I say? The 950, the 28,900 area. 28,900 area. Okay. If I go on the weekly quickly, I'm jumping back to the weekly quick, guys. We can maybe come take out the weekly low, last week's low. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to mark off last week's low, okay? This is going to be my target. If we are going to short today, is last week's low. Right? I think, and that is sitting at 27,500. So 27,500, guys. Oh, you can't see my... Sorry, guys, you can't see it. Okay. 27,500, which is last week's low. If we do short, I think price can pull back into take out the low of last week, right? But anyways, let's just go into the 15. 15, guys, notice how we come back up into this level and we're rejecting off of it. So what I'm going to do, my plan of action is if we start closing back below EMA, okay, on the 15 minute, even maybe the 5, we can start looking for shorts and scalping shorts lower. I think that's going to be the plan of action, guys. That will be the plan of action today. The more I've analyzed with you guys, the more I'm seeing sells, the more I'm seeing shorts. So my bias is short, right? Price, look, yeah, guys, look at this rejection off this key level. Yeah, guys, I think we might short today, which is actually really nice because I know a lot of people have been waiting for the shorts and we might just have it today. So let's see. Let's see what we can get. So I'm going to stay on the 5 minutes, see if we can get some 5-minute closures back below EMA. We do have an inside bar as well on the 5 minutes. So let's see. Maybe if we can close back below, we can maybe scalp a short straight off the bat. But with that being said, let me see what's happening in the chat. Sorry, I haven't read the chat, guys. I've been talking so much. volume is coming. Feeling bearish. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. 70 people. Guys, if you're new on the stream, start hitting that like button right now, or I swear to you, I'm gonna end the stream in 1 minute. I'm joking. But guys, hit that like button, guys. Just show some love. Show some support. Cam Bam. Hey daddy. Yeah, you know I'm your daddy. Wiggle, wiggle just a little bit. We can see the waterfall. I use Deep Chart, bro. For the guy that asked what platform I'm using. For Thunder Pro Futures, I use Deep Chart. Sarvesh, bro. Appreciate your message. I better see you in my server, dude. On Discord, bro. We're trading New York session and London session on some days, but mainly New York session, and then the bigger it grows, we're going to start trading London session. If there's people that are wanting London session. Jeffrey, I'm glad you pumped, bro, about the server. I know so many people are needing the New York, or wanting the New York stream, so I've done it. I gave you guys what you all asked for, so it's there. It is there. Go follow my Instagram, guys. It's in the bio of my Instagram, the link to join my server where I trade New York session live every day. I'm trading New York session live today in there, so for my OGs, if you want to go check that out, go ahead. What house is it? You watch the volume or just the candle? But I am streaming on YouTube every day still at this time. Nothing's changing, guys. I'm just merging into the New York session streaming now because I have been. So I'm just reading one of your messages. I have. I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, I have been winning on New York session a lot, and it's been working quite well for me recently. So I'm like, you know what? Let's stream New York. Hey Cam, I've been seeing your live the last 2 weeks. Despite using a different strategy from yours, I love your vibe and seeing you. Dropping a like and keeping the tab open to support. Have a great stream. Brother, I fucking love you, dude. I love you, bro, so much, dude. Appreciate it. Maybe if you stay on the stream, bro, you're gonna win the duck race to win a 50k account. Today I lost 2 trades. Yeah, it's alright, bro. It's alright, dude. The day's not over. As long as you use risk management, bro. Dan, your message. Yeah, dude, it depends, bro. It's up to you. I am also it's you know, in my group, it's I'm doing webinars as well, right? I'm going to be doing live webinars where you guys can talk to me, ask me questions, because I want to do more than just live trading. I want to start taking live trading with you guys into something bigger. You know, I think that's something that's a great part about it. Please share the analysis of some of my previous trades. What trades, bro? Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram in the chat. It is in the bio, but my Instagram is there's my Instagram in the chat, guys. If you don't follow me, go follow me on there. You'll find out all the information to when I'm live on YouTube, when I'm live on Discord. You'll see everything. You'll see when I'm doing giveaways. You will see when I am dropping the latest promotions on anything, bro. And you're gonna see where I live. You're gonna see my lifestyle, bro. You're gonna see my dog. You're gonna see me get married. You're gonna see me on my daily life on Instagram. But yeah, all the information in regards to my communities on my Instagram, guys, so go check that out. But anyways, guys, let's see. We got another inside bar on the 5 minute. I could maybe aggressively hit a short. If we break the low of this inside bar, I might take a short, guys. I might. What's the time? Okay, we've broken that. Maybe I'll go in with just 5. Guys, I'm going to sell just 5. Okay, I'm selling 5, guys. I've taken a short on NQ. Take this trade at your own risk. It's not financial advice. But I'm going in with 5 micros. I'm going to probably scale in if price starts to drop, okay? So I've gone in with 5 micros, right? The only thing I did not do is I did not wait for price to close below my EMA. I did not do that. That's one rule I did not follow, but I'm aware of it. Now, the reason I didn't take that rule into consideration is because we have a double inside bar confirmation right now on the 5 minute. Usually what I've noticed from experience is when there's a double inside bar confirmation and price eventually breaks those lows of those inside bars, not all the time, but sometimes price just takes off. Now, does this make my trade an A+ setup? Absolutely not. That's why I've gone in with 5 micros, guys. I'm really not risking a lot. I'm risking $300, guys. It's literally nothing compared to the size of my accounts. So I've gone in with very small risk. I'm just playing around. I am, you know, just dabbling right now to get the stream going. But yeah. Straight into the drawdown. But I did say, guys, this is not an A+ setup. Huh? I'm just dabbling right now. I'm just dabbling a little bit. Like yesterday, I sat on my hands all stream. I didn't even take a trade. So today, I'm like, you know what, Cam? I want to take like a couple, like 2 trades today. Give myself 2-3 opportunities. Let's see. Okay. So we got Toxic FX. He's against me here, bro. Good luck. You should wait until closing. Sorbet, I should, but I can play around a little bit. I'm able to play around a little bit right now. I'm trading purely based off a break of an inside bar, which is another entry as well, but it's not my A+, you know what I mean? So James Swack, it's going to be a W, brother. I hope so. Until we get closure back below EMA, then it will confirm me if it's going to be W. Right now, I don't know. But let me just show you guys right now. You think I'm going to lose because it's not an A+ setup? Hell no, bro. Cam, when you choose to take profit. Cam, when you choose to take profit or let it run more. To be honest, guys, I'm feeling today like if we can start getting the bearish volume that I'm anticipating, I can be wrong. If we do get it, I will for sure start holding my position today, I think. But we see, I mean, whatever, no? That closure above is sketchy. It is a bit sketchy. It is. But I honestly, I'm trading my strategy. Like, this is an aggressive entry. You in trading, guys, like this is an aggressive entry. You get entries like called safe plays, which are safe plays. You know, when you wait for the candle to close back below, and an aggressive entry is when you enter aggressively. But every single aggressive entry I enter, I am using the lowest risk possible on that trade. Like I'm talking $200 to $300 risk for an aggressive entry. Explain from your previous trades why you entered at that point and what the logic was behind the decision. What trades, bro? I can't go over all the trades I took. Okay, I'll show you the trade I took. Okay, hold on. Let me show you the trade. Where was it? Fuck, yesterday was horrible. Okay. So, yesterday, guys, was a weird one, okay? Yesterday was a weird one. Okay, so guys, this is where yesterday, as we all saw on stream, let me just make sure you guys can actually see this. Yesterday on stream, okay, sorry guys, just making sure it's all fitted in the screen for you to see. Okay, so guys, yesterday on stream, I didn't take a trade, right? It was Monday and I waited patiently the whole session. But I did call a trade in front of you guys, and you guys did, a lot of you did take the trade, okay? And you guys won big. Basically, this was yesterday. So yesterday, we were consolidating here, okay? Chop, 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 chop. And then what happened was, as we closed above on the 5 minute, price then took off, rallied, okay? Over here. Now, what happened was, I didn't take anything. Price just kept selling off. But what I did, right, okay, was I shorted this over here. So as we close back below EMA, right, over here, yeah. So as we close back below EMA, we try to get back above, and this 5 minute closure back below, I took the short of that break of candle. So yesterday, I shorted the break of that low, right? And I held it all the way back down into these lows to the left, over here. Okay, so this is my short yesterday that I took in post stream, after the stream, okay? And then what happened was, you see all of this chop over here? That was where I took the loss not long after. Okay, price closed back below EMA over here. I took that short, and what happened? Price in reversed and it tapped me out, and then I was done for the day. So I did have a break-even day yesterday. Okay, but that's trading, it can happen. Yeah. Let's just see this, how this trade's going to play out though. I mean, this is purely based off an inside bar. Look at the 5 minute guys close back bearish though. We try to go higher, we close back, we close just back below that EMA. So if we can break the previous 5 minute low, we might push lower. We might. And then I'll add into my position if we do that, okay? I'll add. And I will then just manage my stop. Guys, we're going to do the first duck race to win a 50k account the minute we hit 100 likes on stream. Huh? The minute we hit 100 likes on stream and you've signed up with the link in the bio of the stream, we are going to start doing the first duck race to win a 50k. Yo, Blue Mango's in the chat. David, I just read what David said. It can be no signal for you to take the trade, but for me it can be crystal clear. You know what, guys? I've told you before, everything that I do on stream, this is not financial advice, okay? I'm just a trader too, just like you guys are, okay? I can be wrong, I cannot be wrong, but the same for you. Days you're going to be wrong, days you're not going to be wrong. We're not playing against each other here. Honestly, if I take a trade, let me take my trade. Let me take my trade. I'm taking a trade for a reason. For a reason. I'm not just trading because I'm gambling, like wanting to make money. I don't need to make money today. Like, I don't. So I'm trading because I see a setup. I execute. When I see a setup, I execute. End of story. I don't start looking at 100 other things. I see it, I execute. End of story. So if your bias is bullish, that's great. Stick to your bias. You can maybe be right. This is what I say to a lot of traders. You can maybe be right too. Okay. And a lot of you have experience. A lot of you, know what you're doing as well on the chart. So, yeah, just, if you're confident and you have a good bias, stick to your bias, bro. Stay on stream with me and talk with me and stuff. But we're all here, because we love trading. We're all here because we have our own edge. Hit the like button, peeps. Yeah, hit that fucking like button right now. What's the 15? Let's just see this 15 quickly. Yeah, it's interesting, huh? That 15 minute, look how we have a massive wick rejection closing back below that EMA. If this current 15 minute candle can flip red and break the low, it will 100% sell off. When I say 100%, I can be wrong, but I'm confident. I'm confident, guys. I'll add into my position for sure if it does that. Yeah, there's 80, there's 90, there's almost 100 of you guys, bro. I want to see 100 likes. But some people don't want to win a 50k account, huh? Punch that like it's your mom-in-law. We might need to wait a little bit more, guys, to get some volume because price is stalling a bit. We can see we need something to happen. I don't even care if this has to go tap me out. Let's just say it does, and price wants to go take me out. I honestly don't even care. Like, you know what? We still got a huge session ahead, guys. Today's going to be an extended stream into CPI. We're going to watch CPI together and see what happens. But yeah. And then after that, we're going to head into the New York stream. But let's see. I got a big day ahead of me, trading wise. So. Shakira. Shaki Parek. Look at that 3-minute fair value gap. If it's inverse, we may see downside for sure, bro. I hope your fair value gap works, dude. For my sake. 90 people seeing, but only 55. Oh, it's alright. Guys, the people that haven't liked, they'll eventually like. They know they will. Just give them time. Don't focus on the giveaway, focus on the trade. Abdullah, tell them, bro. Let's focus on this trade that honestly, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. Okay? We're gonna win the trade. Or I'm gonna win this trade. Even if it doesn't sell off now, it's gonna sell it. It's gonna sell it. Come on. James Bond, we're stuck in a range. We are. I feel like every day when we come on stream, we're ranging, and then what happens is we start breaking out of the range, and then we win. Do a giveaway on those glasses, guys. I have another set of these. When I ordered these sunglasses, when I ordered these glasses, I got given 2 pairs, so I've got 2 of these. I for sure can give one away to one of you guys, definitely. They sent me another pair by accident. I don't know why. I received 2. They weren't even that expensive. It was like $50 for one. So my plan is, guys, if this trade does take me out, it's cool, okay? Why? And I say it's cool because, firstly, the loss is minimal. Minimal. What I'll do is I'll wait a bit more for A+ setup, which then I'll start waiting for a candle closure above. This is why I need to show you guys, and I'm actually glad that this trade isn't really working out in my favor. I don't care, but for you guys, when it comes to those A+ setups, you need to wait for those candle closures, because you've seen, right, how much more you will win when price closes, right, on that 5 minutes. So I'm glad that you're seeing what happens when you don't wait for price to close. You see what I mean? I didn't wait for the candle to close. Now I'm about to lose the trade. Maybe, I don't know. Price might want to go higher first before going lower, or it's trading. I can't say. But we are in a range right now. I didn't wait for a 5 minute candle closure. Should I have waited for a 5 minute candle closure? Yes, I should have. But when I took that trade, I was aware that there's a possibility I can lose it. That's why I lowered to 5 micros on this trade. Very minimal risk. Hand me your pips, bro. Pips. Give them to your wife if she starts trading, bro. Listen here, my wife, bro. I put these, because the thing is with these glasses, your eyes need to adjust to them, because when you first put them on, everything is very red. It feels like you've eaten a whole bag of like drugs, dude. Like you start tripping, bro. You start tripping balls, crazy. I couldn't trade with them in the beginning, but now I can. Like now it's really nice, but in the beginning I couldn't trade with them. I had to take them off. Like I just kept wearing them until my eyes adjusted. Yeah, Dan, exactly. The importance of waiting for that extra confirmation is very good. That does not mean I won't win this trade. I can very well still win a trade right now. You know, I have before. You don't always need to wait for an inside bar closure. For example, let's look at this example over here, right? Look over here, Dan. This is when this is an inside bar when you don't wait for a closure. Okay? Look here at this candle. This candle was above EMA. We had an inside bar, right? And then what happened? Price broke that low and absolutely melted. If you waited for the candle closure, your entry would have been down here, and your risk to the risk to reward wouldn't have been great. That's why I shorted aggressively, because I understand that inside bars, this can happen. The minute that low gets broken of that inside bar, price can just absolutely melt. Okay. That's why I took this trade now, because I'm looking at it as a similar setup to the previous one that happened. For me, my reason for entering aggressive was I don't want I don't want to wait for 5 minute candle and that 5 minute candle closes down here, and then my risk to reward's messed up. You know what I mean? But it's cool, it's 5 micros, I've taken the risk. If I would have not gone, I would have never taken this trade with more risk. Like, if I'm wanting to use like 10, 15, 20 micros, I would wait for the 5 minute candle closure, 100%, bro. I wouldn't put my account at risk on a trade where the probabilities might probably be against me. So holy smokes, you guys just ran that over 100 likes right now. Crazy, dog. Holy smokes. That's mad. Nifa, good morning. I did not expect that. I come back and I see that. Okay, guys. So how it's going to work is we're going to do the giveaway soon. So if you want to enter the giveaway, right, you need to do two things. You need to make sure that you signed up with the link in the bio, okay? Right, because that link in the bio is where Thunder Pro is going to send you your account if you win. You have to be signed up with that link, okay? So if you're not signed up with Thunder Pro, sign up with the link in the bio, okay? Next thing, you need to be active in the chat because I'm going to be copying and pasting all of your names into the duck race. If you're not active in the chat, you will not be entered into the duck race. And I'm doing two. The first duck race is going to be a 10-minute long duck race. The second duck race is going to be a 20-minute long duck race, chat. So you better smash that like button, run it up, keep running it up, keep running it up, keep running it up, okay? You guys are absolutely wild. Fucking love all of you, man. So get active. You guys have 5 minutes to get active in the chat. If you're not active in the chat, guys, you will not be entered into the 10-minute long duck race. And I'm gonna put the duck race on the screen while we're still trading. So we're gonna trade, watch the duck race at the same time for 10 minutes. So guys, start spamming the chat right now. Just get active, and then you got a higher chance of winning or being entered into that duck race, okay? You won't be entered in the duck race. The weekly annual duck race, yeah? Where can I find more information on your Discord? Guys, I'm gonna say it again. If you want access into my Discord for New York session live trading, it's in my Instagram bio, right? The link is there to join in my Instagram bio. Yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna take a small L on this trader, a very small loss. Okay, guys, I'm just going to close this. I'm going to close. Alright, I've closed that trade. I'm taking that as a small loss. So that means I have 30 wins and 10 losses, guys. Holy smokes. $30 wins and 10 losses. I won't lie, I am so happy with that result. Huh? That result is mad. Mad. Okay, cool, guys. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait for something, okay? Let's just be patient right now. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute time frame. We're gonna wait for probably something on the 15, okay? We are still so early into the stream, guys. We've got so much time ahead of us. Oh my god. Guys, there's a 15-minute inside bar there. Yeah, if I saw that, I probably would have exited though. Damn. But it's cool, it's cool. Just happy my risk was on point. Okay, cool. Let's see what's happening here before we do this giveaway. Chat, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, guys, my Instagram is in the bio of the stream. Go give me a follow, bro. You'll see all the latest updates on streaming there, okay? Alright, so let's see. What's happening in this chat? What's the higher time frame? I'm on the 15-minute right now, guys. I'm gonna probably wait for a 15-minute candle closure. I feel like I missed so much. No, you didn't miss so much. You missed just 20 minutes of the chat going crazy. Oh my god, you guys are wild in that chat. Holy smokes. Guys, just spam W, guys, for the next 2 minutes. Spam W for the next 2 minutes, and then we're gonna start the duck race, guys. Just spam it, spam it, spam it. And then, guys, after the while we're waiting for these ducks to race, we are going to hopefully find a setup. We are breaking out of the range though, guys. Looks like price is trying to get higher, I won't lie. It's cool. Okay. Cool, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute to like the stream, to sign up with the link in the chat, I mean, in the bio, and we're gonna do the duck race. One minute to go. Okay, guys, time is up. If you guys have not followed those rules, you will not obviously receive your count if you win, okay? So, this is how it's going to work. We're doing 2 duck races. I'm going to do one now. The first duck race is going to be a 10-minute long duck race. 10-minute long. Then, the second duck race, we're going to do a 20-minute long duck race. Guys, I'm looking at NQ. Look how this 15 is close back above EMA. Alright, guys. I'm going to start entering your names. If you have not been active in the chat, unfortunately, you will not be entered in the duck race. Okay, guys. I've copied all of your names, so don't tell me your name's not in the duck race. Don't tell me your name is not in the duck race. Okay, you guys can slow down in the chat now. Slow down. Paste. Okay, done. We're doing a 10-minute long duck race. Holy smokeroo. Set. Okay, so here we go, guys. The duck race is on the screen. 10 minutes. I've entered all of the participants in the race. So, with this being said, guys, the first duck race of the week shall begin. So, guys, 10 minutes long. 10 minutes long. If you win the duck race, you know what you need to do, okay? You need to message me on Instagram and FunderPro will check if you have signed up with the link in the chat. If you did that, you will win your 50k account and they will send it to you, okay? So with that being said, guys, I'm watching NQ. NQ's, oof, we might get another short setup. If this 5-minute closes, I might go for it. But anyways, guys, in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys. The 10-minute duck race is going while we're going to be waiting for... Holy smoke, this is going to be a long duck race. So there, the duck race is going, chat. Okay, guys, slow down with the W's now. Slow down with the W's in the chat. So let's see, guys, this 5-minute candle, if we can close back below EMA after rejecting this key level again, I might look to try another short. Alright, well, you guys should be able to see all your names there if you did enter the rules correctly. AC Ninja is trying his best. What's the time, guys? 2 minutes and this 5-minute gonna close. Yo, guys, stop with the W's now. Like, it's too much. Stop spamming W's now. Stop. Let's just watch the ducks and let's watch the chart. Bro, imagine winning a trade while this duck race is going. It'll be crazy, you know? Eight minutes, guys. Guys, this 5 minutes gonna close in 1 minute. 1 minute and this 5 minutes gonna close. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I need to, so yeah, guys, this 5 minute that closed, we didn't close below EMA. We tried. We almost did. I need to wait for the 5 minute to close. I need to wait another 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes before entry. If this does decide to just sell off right now, it is what it is. But I will follow my rules on this one after taking the first small loss. This is tempting, but I'm not going to let FOMO get in the way of this. I'm going to follow my rules. How do I make your duck go faster? Guys, for the spammers, stop. Guys, please stop spamming the chat. Oh, really, no, stop spamming. I'm struggling to read the messages. It's too far. So guys, next, for the second duck race, we need to run up the likes to 200, man, for the second one. Your Chronos charts is trying his luck, and then at the back, oh man. I blew my account today, but not following my rules and FOMOing into some trades. You know what, brother? A raw cat, that's okay, dude. That is okay, man. It's part of trading. You just need to learn from your mistake and just absolutely avoid that at all costs next time, okay? Trust me, there's nothing you can do about it. So don't let it eat you up. Don't let it ruin your day. You need to forget about it and move on. You need to let it go and move on to the next trade, right? Move on to your next account. It's very important for psychology. If you're going to sit with that loss, it's going to mess up your next trading, guys. Like, trust me, you need to, after taking, like, after making stupid mistakes like FOMOing and revenge trading and over risking, you do it, you know it's wrong, you get upset with yourself, and then you hold on with that emotion into your next trade, and it's going to affect your next trade, and then you're going to spiral. So in order to avoid that spiral, you need to not carry that emotion, and in order to stop carrying that emotion, you need to say to yourself, you know what, it's cool, I fucked up, but I'm moving on now, it's cool. Okay? Can someone win 2 giveaways in a row? No. If the person does win twice, we'll redo the giveaway. Oh, I'll just remove their name. No, they won't, because I will remove their name from the duck race. Cam Bam is trying. Cam Bam is trying. Ooh, guys, 4 minutes left. We've got a Kumar coming in hot. Ignite Income pushing through. Chamber coming in the back lines. Cam Bam falling way behind, guys. Cam Bam falling way behind. Yeah. We got Chrono Charts trying his luck again, but he might just fail because next to him he's got Abdullah pushing by. Oh, ER, guys, pushing through. Nexo racing alongside Pro Trader 2809. Did you show your dog Bailey? No, Bailey's not. Bailey's sleeping, guys. Very annoying, this duck. No, dude. It is the most fair way to win a competition. And it's freaking better than a wheel, though. If you don't like it, it's cool. You don't have to enter. 5 minute, guys. It's trying, bro. 5 minute was not a great closure, I won't lie. Price is really testing that level. 2.5 minutes, guys, for the duck race to finish. Yo, guys, Eco Chamber pushing through the front lines. Helia, healer. What's my Instagram, guys? My Instagram. Guys, there's my Instagram. I've just put it in the chat, okay? Go follow me on Instagram, guys. You'll get all the latest updates on streams in the Instagram stories, yeah? So you don't miss the next one. And the giveaways, etc. How do I read the EMA? Yo, I explain this every stream, guys. You're gonna have to go back and try find it. The EMA is read with absolute precision and simplicity. That's how I do it. Guys, if Thunder Pro wins the race, I will just redo the duck race, yeah? Alright guys, 3 more minutes and we can maybe look to start entering a trade. Let's see. 10 seconds guys. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toxic FX, the guy that said to me he's against me with the sells, he's on the buys. I know him. He said to me we're going to be buying. Well done, brother. You did win, bro. You did win. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram, bro, and just send me a DM, please, of your email, and I'll forward it through to Funder Pro. Congrats, dude. I know why you won. Because you probably lost your trade, bro, and now you get given a duck, bro. You might have lost your buying trade, but you won a 50k account. You won the duck race. So guys, congratulations, brother. Toxic FX, I don't know what your real name is, but bro, text me on Instagram, dude. Alright guys, we are going to be doing another duck race this stream. We will be doing another duck race this stream, guys. Uncle Ronan, how's it, my bro? You missed the duck race, brother. Ronan, bro. We're doing another duck race, dude. Oh, bro, nice. Yeah, dude. You're cooking and watching at the same time. I freaking love you guys. Alright, guys. Okay. Let's see. This 15 minutes gonna close. Let's see how this 15 is gonna close for us. Yeah, we might need to be a little bit more patient there, guys. Let's not FOMO into a trade. Yeah, we didn't get the closure we wanted again. It's okay. We need to wait for the closure, guys. We need to wait for that closure. It's so important. We need to wait for that red candle closure, guys. You know the drill. Uncle Ronan, I'll win, I know the script. What the fuck you talking about, bro? Coming with your cuck like that. Seriously. Alright, see, now we're getting the volume that we're needing on this 5 minutes. Oh my lol. Yeah, candles are very indecisive, guys. But it's cool, guys. It is cool. Let's just follow the plan, you know the vibes. He's teasing. He's playing with us. That's cool. So what's the time now? Yeah, we have to wait 4 more minutes, man. 4 more minutes. I have a question, guys. While we're waiting. How is your guys' psychology going this week? Obviously, it's been, yesterday was a bit of a weird one. There's CPI today. I've seen some of you have been blowing accounts, FOMOing. Some of you have been in green, closing out in profit. That's great. I would like to know, how has it been going for you this week and this month especially? Has this month been what you expected? Have you been following your plan? Have you been following your rules? let's just be honest with each other, right? Let's just be transparent with each other, because that's what this live stream's about. We know we're not BSing. Guys, look at this 5 minute, absolutely tanking down. Yeah. We might have an entry of this, huh? Patience. Okay, Dan more confident for sure. Nice, bro. That's what it's about, man. Even if you feel like you're not confident, guys, just tell yourself that you're confident. You'll start manifesting that type of stuff into your head, where you're going to just believe that you're confident if you don't feel confident at all. It sounds stupid, I know, but trust me. What you say to yourself is a big deal, man, when it comes to trading. If you're going to think that you're not good enough, you're going to always like overthink your trading. It's going to affect your mindset, you know. I've been over trading when I already got a win for the day. Yeah. That's because I know that feeling. There's been many times I'll have a big win and then the next thing I get tempted to take another trade. It's very normal, right? But you need to compare that trade to what you get paid at your 9 to 5. For example, if you make $200 in that trade, you need to say to yourself, fuck, like my 9 to 5 job will never pay me that per day, for example, you know. And you need to compare it to what your situation currently is, and you'll start accepting those wins and be like, you know what, I'm happy with that. Because that's what trading's about. Trading's about taking one trade and walking away for the day and being absolutely done. We're not trading to constantly be sitting behind the charts. We're not trading to constantly be glued to the screen risking our own capital. We trade for the freedom, right? That's why we all do it. Let's just be honest. Okay, we trade for the freedom, right? Guys, look at this 5 minute. This is looking good, huh? 1 minute to go, and I'm gonna look to enter short. Yeah, so what I was saying was, we trade for the freedom, okay? Accept that win and walk away. Don't go back in and start risking your own capital again, right? So if you wake up and you take a trade and you're done in 10 minutes, bro, that's amazing. That's why we're trading, right? To make money anywhere in the freaking world. More confident for sure. My first trade in a week was green yesterday by the skin of my teeth. Okay, guys, I am gonna... I've entered a short. I've entered shorts, guys. We had a nice bearish closure back below EMA and we just ticked that low. So I've entered short. Here we go, guys. Here we go. This is our plan playing out. This is an A+ setup for me. Okay? This is an A+ setup for moi. TP, I don't have one right now. I'm going to let this thing run because I do think we are going to come quite low. This... Yeah. I think we are going to come quite low. So right now, I don't have a take profit. I'm just going to trail. I'm going to trail, guys. I want to try ride this short. If it does start selling off, I'm going to try ride this short for as long as possible, okay? Charlie overtraded yesterday, but sized down, which saved him. That is good, bro. Honestly, that's good, my guy. Right? That sizing down will save you. A lot of the time, you know, what happens is that when people take their first loss, they want to make it back straight away, and then they upsize because they know if they upsize, they can make that loss back a lot quicker. But then, when you do that first upsize, and you lose that trade, you've kind of screwed after. If you don't like it, then that's when you go on tilt usually. Need to break that resistance at 174. Yeah. Yeah, now price is pulled back into. I did move my stop loss a little bit more higher, guys. just to give it some room to breathe. You can put your stop, guys, above the high if you want. You know, like maybe I just keep it there. Whatever. Let's just leave it there for now. You want to give price action room to breathe. A lot of the time, people go in with heavy size. They keep their stop loss short because they don't want to risk a lot because they're sized up so big, and then they have no room to wiggle, right? And then price will just go hit their stop loss, and then it'll then drop, and then they're like, ah, cool, brother, cool. Toxic. Oh, your name is Pete. Guys, the next duck race will be soon, okay? We will be doing the next duck race shortly in the next 10 minutes. So if you have not already and you're new to the stream, guys, hit that like button. Let's start running the likes up. We need to get it over 180 likes, guys. So come on, if you have not already, hit that like button. If you have, I love you. But in the next 10 minutes, we're going to do the next giveaway. And bear in mind, you need to be signed up with the link in the bio, guys. Because that link is where they're going to send the winners their accounts. The next duck race is going to be a big one. I'm talking 20-minute long duck race, guys. Oh, the haters are hating in the chat. Ready for that stop loss. Alright, bro. I don't, honestly. Do you know what happens when price hits my stop loss? I move on. I don't care. But I have my bias, I have my setup, I'll execute. Oh, look at Nasdaq. Come on, baby. It retested that EMA, exactly. That's why I gave it some wiggle room, guys. I gave it some wiggle room. If we start breaking lower into the lows to the left, I will start trailing my stop loss a little bit lower to minimize the risk, okay? You guys can't even see properly. Okay. What's the time? 2040. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. Now hopefully we're gonna get a nice drop lower. Let's see it. Let's see it. Can I put the link to my Instagram? Yeah, give me a moment, guys. Let me just Yo, Kevin took $1,000. Bro, that's amazing, man. Holy smokes, dude. I appreciate you, man. Guys, my Instagram, guys, I know you want my link of my Instagram, but guys, if you look in the chat, okay? I have pinned my Instagram in the chat. It says there, Instagram CAMSORBET. Just go and type that name in Instagram and you will see me. And if you can't find me, go on Fundapro Futures, guys. Make sure you're following them, firstly. And you will see that I have collabed all of my videos with them. I'm all over Fundapro Futures Instagram. You'll find me very easily. I can't hide. Waterfall coming, baby. Yeah, dude, it's coming. I'm a first-time viewer. How do I sign up for the duck race? Bro, Invictus, if you want to win the duck race, brother, you need to sign up with Fundapro Futures with the link in the bio, okay? Sign up with them, and then you'll be entered automatically. Okay, guys, there's a very... Guys, look at NQ. Oh my god, here we go. I'm moving my stop a little bit lower. Here we go, guys. I'm trailing my stop a little bit lower. Cam Bam just asked me the most strangest question I've ever been asked. I won't lie. Like, what the hell is that, bro? Do I like girls or boys or Transformers? Bro, okay, I need to be honest about this question. I think I've always been honest and transparent with you guys. But I love Transformers, dude. The fuck is that question, bro? What's my view on CPI today? Yo, guys, today I'm full porting my accounts on CPI. I'm absolutely full porting them to the moon. I'm gonna try and make $1 billion. I'm gonna enter CPI with 100 contracts today, and I'm gonna try and make $1 billion today. I never see you drink anything. You're not thirsty when I'm talking. Bro, let me tell you, I don't know if you're new to the chat or not, but for the last, for the first 2 weeks of me streaming, I was drinking a freaking Red Bull every single stream. And yeah, it was so bad, so I just stopped that. Transformers all the way, bro. I fucking love Transformers, dude. Yo, you see, Cam Bam is bringing out all the Transformer lovers now. We got Ronan. Guys, Ronan actually used to date a Transformer. I won't even lie. Ronan went to Thailand for a few weeks, bro, and he hooked up with a Transformer, dude. I promise you. I'm not even lying. Crazy A++. Yeah, let's see. I'm just gonna let this trade run, bro. I'm just gonna let this trade run. I'm easy. Like I said, if we can break, guys, if Nasdaq can break these lows, guys, we're gonna drop it hot. Drop. Drink kombucha. Yeah, guys, I mean, geez, Transformers and kombucha is like the best combo, dude. Yeah, Dad, you don't need to say to me anything after. I am in Patong, Thailand. Alright, so if you're in Thailand, bro, we know what you're currently doing. We know what you're doing tonight. We know what you're doing tonight, dude. Do you sometimes place pending orders when there's a CPI? Guys, I don't trade CPI. I don't gamble CPI, huh? I'll be honest. I did that a few times, and it humbled me very quickly. I know a lot of people do that, but it's a gamble, right? I would rather, yeah, it is a gamble. I don't like it. I don't like taking gamble like that in trading. You know, I did it in the beginning of my trading journey and trading career, whatever you want to call it, and it messed, bro, with my head, bro, doing that type of stuff. I needed to cut it out to start thinking clearly, because the thing is, if I do it one time, if I gamble CPI today, guys, and I'm going to be honest and transparent with you, right? If I gamble CPI today, if I put limit orders, if I win, Okay? What's going to happen is I'm going to want to start doing that every single CPI and NFP. That's the problem with doing that type of thing. And I used to do that. And I have a very addictive personality. So for me to be doing that, if I win one time, I'll get all excited. Oh my God, I just won a CPI trade. And I'm going to want to do it the next time. And that's the bad habit I don't want to get in. So I stop myself from trading that. I'm just going to be honest, right? I'm not going to lie to you. And I'm a human. I can slip up. I can make mistakes too. You know, so I just cut out all the bad things that stop me from being profitable. That's what I do now. I like Transformers before they transformed. It's so funny, bro. How long did it take you to become profitable? It took me 4 years. I've been trading for almost 8. 4 years to become profitable, and then 3 years full time. Okay, Cam Bam, you need to stop with this conversation now, dude. What is this, bro? Guys, the trade is actually looking really good. Let's go to the high time frame. Check at that, guys. Look at that. Look how we had a great 15-minute closure back below EMA. If this 15-minute breaks that low, we could see another nice push down. Who's in the trade, chat? Who's in this trade? Who is in this trade, guys? Put your hand up in the chat if you're in this short. I would love to know where those haters are that said my stop loss was going to get hit there, because right now it don't look like that. Huh? Where are them? Where are they, my haters? Guys, I honestly, I love haters, because those people just make me always want to do better. I'll be honest now. Sure, there's a lot of you guys in this trade. Let's see. Ben, the Discord is out. Guys, my Discord is out. If you guys want to join my community and trade New York session live with me and do webinars with me, guys, the Discord is in my Instagram bio. So go follow me on Instagram and you will see the link there to join, okay? Everything's on social media, guys. Also, you can also get the latest updates of my YouTube streams and giveaways on my Instagram. So go follow me, bro, and like the stream right now. Guys, we need to get this stream to 170 likes and we're doing the second duck race. Yo, a lot of you guys are in. Sarvesh, Annie, Leah. Wow. NG Washerwood. Hey, Washerwood. Welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream, dude. Echoes in. Ronan, how many contracts did you go in with, my bro? Let's just be honest, right? Let's just be honest. Okay, guys. My payout. No, I haven't requested my payout because yesterday I took a loss and then I took a win and then I ended up being at a break even for the day. I need to make $2,000 before I take my payout because I'm wanting to leave a big buffer in my account. My goal with this account, guys, to get moved to the daily payouts. And I want to go to daily payouts with a buffer more than $15,000 or $20,000. So I'm really, instead of rushing that payout right now, I'm just slowly building my way to it. That's my goal. You have any free Discord? I don't, bro. I'm not doing a free Discord. This YouTube is enough, I think, you know. But there is a discount code that you can use as well. It's on my Instagram. Jeez, Ronan with 30 micros. Holy smokes, bro. Bro trying to make generational wealth over there. Bro wants to buy a BMW. prop firm? Funder Pro Futures. I mean, what do you mean which prop firm, dude? Like, I'm trading on Funder Pro Futures. Five more likes, guys, and we're doing the second duck race. Five more like-a-roos. Yo, that's crazy, guys. As I'm talking to you now, I quickly go on my Discord, my community here that I've just made. One of the guys that joined today just sent a screenshot. Holy smoke. Wow. What a W, bro. Bro's winning, dude. Yo. Okay, I'm putting you on mute. What is this guy spamming that rubbish in this chat? Guys, 2 more likes. We're doing duck race. Add my name. Yeah, I'm gonna re-enter all of your guys' names into the duck race, guys. I'm gonna re-enter everything. Don't worry, I'm not afraid. Okay, guys, we've done it. We've hit 170 likes, so you know the drill. Okay, we're gonna commence the duck race while we let this trade play out. Okay. Before we start the duck race, I'm gonna hold the trade, guys. I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna keep holding the trade. I want to see price break the low of the day. Okay. I want to see price break those lows of the day. So I'm not at break even yet. I'll only go break even once we break low of the day. Okay. I'll let you guys know when I do that. So if you're satisfied with your profits, guys, close. Be done for the day. But if not, and you want to stay in the trade alongside me, you know, do that at your own risk. But I'm holding, guys. I am holding this trade. It's definitely taking a while. And I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame because I've had enough of the 5. Let's look at the 15-minute. Okay? Let's watch the 15-minute time frame, guys. Okay? Let's watch the 15-minute time frame, guys. Okay, cool. So, guys, you know the drill. Get active inside of the chat so I can copy and paste all of your names. If you're not active in the chat, I will not be able to enter you in the next duck race, alright? And then the last thing is make sure you sign up with the link in the bio to Funder Pro Futures, because that's where they're going to send you your account, okay? Come on, let's go. Alright, guys. Hi. Yes, we're doing the duck race. Cool. Okay. Let's do this thing, okay? So here we're gonna go. I'm gonna copy and paste all your names in the duck race. Alright, if you're not there, You snooze, you lose. Yo. Okay. So I've got all your names. Just give me a moment. I'm just double checking. I'm removing that one. I just have to remove the previous winner, guys. Okay. No, something's not right. Something's not right. Something ain't right. Okay. All right. Okay. So. Yo, there's a lot of you guys in this one. I'm talking well over... How many participants? Oh, there's a lot. There's like 100 of you guys in there. Okay. So, guys, you know the vibe now. Okay, guys, stop with the chat. Stop with the chat. Slow down, slow down. Stop spamming, stop spamming. Stop spamming the chat, guys. Your price is pulling back to EMA for a retest. Cool. Stop spamming the chat. We're gonna commence the duck race, guys. So with that being said, here we go. This is gonna be a 25-minute long duck race. Come and sit, my sweet. Come. Relax. Come on. It's a good race. Yes. You need to sleep. You need to sleep now. Oh, look at that retest of EMA, guys. Look at that retest of EMA. Unbelievable. Tap and drop, my bro. Don't worry. Cameron's in control. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. How was that for a retest of EMA, yeah? So clean, dog. So clean. Okay, guys, the duck race. Who is ready for the duck race? 25-minute long duck race to win the second 50k account. Who's ready, chat? There's 100 of you in this duck race. Like, there's a lot of you in there. Wow, what a bang of a trade though. Holy smokes, dude. Holy smokes, dude. Okay, guys. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Yo, guys, there's a lot of you in this duck race. We have a beautiful trade. Guys, we have a beautiful trade. Let's just see if this thing wants to absolutely break these lows. If we can break low of the day, we might just absolutely tank it lower. And we have the beautiful duck race, 25 minutes. 25-minute long duck race. Guys, who's still holding the trade with me, man? Who is still holding the trade with me? Guys, okay, guys, I'm going break. I'm going break even. I'm at a BE on the trade, guys. If you're in this trade, take your profit because TP1 has been hit. TP1 has been hit on this trade. I'm gonna hold. Personally, I'm gonna hold the trade, okay? Toxic. Secure some profits. No, I don't close partials, guys. I don't close partials. Not on a day like this, guys. I want to see NQ absolutely dump. I said to you guys, I'm looking for sells. Although my high time frame bias was all adding up to go bearish. And yeah, I was just patient, waited for that second good entry, and I got it. So okay, is the sound horrible? Okay, I'll turn the sound off. Sorry guys about that. It is horrible. Guys, look at NQ melt, baby. Look at it melt. Woo! Look at NQ absolutely rip it, bro. Holy smokes, my bro. Holy, I said if we break low of the day, we're gonna absolutely tank it. Check it out, guys. Holy smokes, bro. I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding this. Yeah, guys, it's got clear room to the left, huh? This thing could actually freaking tank it. You guys better W that chat right now. Come on, bro. This is a huge win. For you guys that are in this trade, this is a big one, bro. This is a biggie, dude. Why is the duck? I think the noise. Oh, there's the sound. Uncle Ronan, $2,000, bro. Ronan, did you close out, bro? Full position. Guys, Ronan started a brand new 200k account. That's insane, brother. Holy shit, you guys are milking it, bro. You guys are milking it. Let's look at that 5 minute, actually. Holy smokes, dude. Well, where's the guys in the chat that said we're gonna buy? Where are you? Come on, come out of your little hiding den, please. Okay, come on. Come on, let's talk. Let's talk. Guys, 20 minutes left of this duck race. Sarvesh is taking the lead, huh? Sarvesh, bro. Sarvesh is taking the lead, bro. Guys, I'm going to trim my position, huh? I'm going to trim. I don't usually do this, but I'm going to close off. I closed off 8 micros. I'm going to let 2 just run. I'm letting 2 run. I've closed off 80% of my position. That's a W, chat. Come on. That's a big W. EMA, guys. Look how simple that was. For the people that are new to the stream. Okay? For the people that are new. I said my bias on higher time frame was bearish, as I spoke about in the pre-breakdown. You can go back and you can watch that, alright? But I said, guys, notice how we are failing to break this key level on the hourly chart at the 250 area, right? Or 245 area. Notice how we came up into it, we rejected off, and then the first 5-minute candle closure we had below, okay? That was our entry to short, below that EMA. It's simple, bro. It is simple, simple, simple. Appreciate you all, bro. Puss, nice. Yo, Ronan, brother, that's a big home run trade, bro. That's a big home run trade. Now you done, bro. You made $2,000 for the day. Call it quits, bro. We come back again tomorrow and we rinse and repeat the same system every single day. It's EMA 9. I am doing a webinar, guys, in my community on Discord tomorrow, breaking down my strategy and everything. So if you guys want to be there, the Discord link is in my Instagram bio. Look at that volume coming. What's the time? Huh. Yeah, let's see, guys. I'm gonna get taken out at break even. I don't care. Like, I want to see how far this thing can run lower, if it does want to go lower. We are back above we are back above the low of the day. We did create a new low of the day now. So price, this could just be a retest of EMA. Price can flip and just keep selling off, guys. But I'm going to try and capitalize off the sell-off as much as possible. Look at that retest. Yo, guys, my EMA strat is absolutely bomb, dude. I can't even cap. Like, look how... Oh my goodness. Look at that EMA play out again on the 5-minute. Jeez Louise. If this 5-minute candle closes bearish, you could probably even enter this thing again. I won't, because I'm like, I've already taken it. We've taken a huge win already together. But... yeah, let's see. Do we have some news? We got CPI today. 15. Yo, I forgot about the duck race, guys. The ducks are still racing. I completely forgot about the ducks. What's happening in the duck race? So we do in the front lines. We have Studio OP. We have. Your Spark Stakes just came out of nowhere, my bro. Holy smokes. The trading triangle taking the lead. AC Ninja. Yo guys, this is a big duck race, bro. Guys, please no cheating in the duck race, right? I don't want anybody to cheat. Cheating is not cool. Look at that trade, bro. So nice. Guys, honestly, I honestly believe my strategy is the most simple strategy to ever exist in the world, bro. So effective, like, and it's a win. So guys, I need to change the counter. We have 31 wins, chat. 31 wins, 10 losses in the last 3 weeks. Holy smokes. Check this thing. Absolutely. I said, guys, we're going to sell off. I said we're going to sell off, bro. I did call it. I did call it. As long as you have a very strong bias, okay? Right? That's why I always start off on the higher time frame. Understand bias, understand candle closures. If you can understand how high time frame candles previously closed, you can understand exactly when to use the EMA. If higher time frames are bearish, you just wait for selling opportunities, sell entries on the EMA. That's it. That's it. It's crazy that it took me 6 years to find this most simple strategy. It's mad, bro. And everything's been done live for you guys. You've seen everything. You've seen everything. And just seeing the amount of people that love the system so much and the strategy so much, I'm now doing webinars for you guys. Because I want to keep giving you guys as much information as possible, you know. Yo, guys. Marco. Guys, Marco's cheating the duck race. He's cheating. I saw him cheat. He pushed the other duck back. Marco, stop cheating, dude. Liquidity routes just got pushed back by Marco again. Marco, bro. Marco is literally banging all these other ducks back, dude. Stop cheating, bro. It's not fair. He just doesn't want to leave the front. Check Marco, just chilling there in the front, dude. Yeah, now Marco's getting humbled by Studio, bro. Here we go, guys. Holy smokes, this trade is absolutely mental, my bro. Hamza, I do, brother. I do. Yeah, I do. That's what my community is about. It's about learning. It's about becoming a much more confident trader. Do you know? I feel like my duck is swimming with 1 foot only, dude. Why I can't... Abdullah, your name is there, bro, but there's like a million other ducks, bro. Obviously, you're gonna not be able to see your name, dude. Like, look how many ducks there are, dude. Symphy is absolutely trying his best there, bro. But he's got 10 minutes to have to stay in the front. How do I prep for the day? I wake up, I have a coffee. Jeez, my guys. Check this freaking NQ going at it, man. Is your Discord good for noobs? I don't know what you mean, bro. There's no noobs in there. Cam Bam, I can see you in the race, bro. I literally saw you, dude. You were in the lead at one point. You gotta stay focused, my guy. Cam Bam is a real transformer, people. Just to let you know, guys, there is like over 100 of you in this duck race. This isn't even all of you. There's a lot of you in the back lines you can't even see. There's so many. Oh, boys. Hi. Hi, my sweetie. You okay? My duck is talking to Cam Bam about Transformers in the back. Come on, you want to go to mom? Give me a second, guys. I'm just taking my dog quickly. Alright. Yo. For all the new people on stream, guys, if you have not already, hit that like button. Let's get it to 200 likes, chat. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's push the stream to 200 likes, chat. Okay, here we have Talib saying we have a reversal. Alright. Still W of a trade though, huge. This is like the biggest move of the day so far, I believe. Well, come on, guys, let's get the likes over 200 for the stream. Come on, come on, let's do it. I would love to know, like, Talib, like, no judgment, just absolute, like, normal question. Why do you think we're gonna have a reversal now? I'm just curious, like, what do you see? How many points do I seek in a trade and how many trades do I take in a day? Points, if I use bigger size, I will usually be out the minute I'm satisfied with my profit. I don't seek points. What I do is I trade into a target, and the minute that target gets hit, I usually close full position. Okay. My targets can vary. I can go from 1 to 1s, 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. Today, I'm going to try and just hold this trade. And then I'll close it just before CPI. It depends, bro. It all depends. If I use smaller size, I try gain as much points as possible, right? But if I use bigger size, I will probably close out sooner. No, there's no confirmation for a reversal whatsoever, personally. That's me. Price can reverse, but look at the hourly, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the left. There's no traffic to the left, guys. Always look at the left as well. What's going to reverse price from the left? I didn't see anything that's going to stop price by going lower. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see the screen. I can't see anything to the left that's going to stop this market by going lower. Yeah, we could have a small pullback, but a whole reversal is definitely something not on my cards. You know? But geez, what a freaking trade, guys. Yeah, I'm just, like I said, guys, I'm just gonna hold this, man. I'm gonna try and squeeze as much out of this as possible. If we can pull back into EMA and make a new lower high, I will then maybe trail my stop loss. I'll start trailing my stop, right? I'll then start trailing stop loss. But let's see. Let's see. For the new people on stream, guys, hit that like button. Come on, let's get it to 200, man. 200 likes and hit the subscribe, turn your notifications on. I am live every single day, guys. I'm live every single day. Confidence, huh? Confidence, Talib. Doesn't mean you're wrong, bro. I'll never say someone's wrong. It's just, I think it's just the experience and confidence behind my strategy that, and just the years of trading. I know Nasdaq. I don't know if you guys remember, for the guys that are on my stream the other day, when Nasdaq wants to sell, it sells hard. It keeps dropping. Like Nasdaq is one of those, yeah, it drops heavy when it wants to sell. I have a good day every day, Cements. Every day is a good day. Guys, we're almost at 200 likes. 2 minutes left until the duck race ends. Guys, if your duck is in that race, hit that like button right now to give your duck a chance of winning. Oh, guys, if the Thunder Pro duck wins, I will do another duck race after, but I'll do like a 1 minute one. If the Thunder Pro duck wins, I don't know why it won't let me remove the name. Bro, check that. What's your name? Washerwood. What a trade. Made $1,650 out all positions now. I think we'll definitely go lower to 29,000. Guys, I did say 29,000 is the overall target. I do think NQ will get down to last week's low. So yes, bro. We'll go out for lunch break and see if I can re-enter with a small size. Go. Do you know what, bro? Don't even re-enter, dude. You don't need to trade again, bro. I mean, do what you would like, but take my advice, bro. Walk away, dude. Walk away, bro. You don't need to trade anymore, man. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. FX study. Bro, congrats, dude. Congrats, brother. Are you in the chat? Are you there right now, bro? Please confirm with me that you have acknowledged the fact that you've won. Congrats, bro. Where is he? Where is he? I need to see that he's acknowledged it, guys. I need to see that he's acknowledged it. I know the whole chat is like hoping he doesn't acknowledge it. Oh, there he is. Bro, text me on Instagram, dude. Text me on Instagram your email, brother. Congrats, guys. There's my Instagram for the new people watching. There is my Instagram, guys. So go give me a follow. You'll get the latest updates of everything on my social media. And there you guys can... yeah, dude, text me on Instagram, dude, and I will get you sorted, bro. It's like watching Kai Sinet that helps us buy Lambos. Bro. Yeah, exactly. What a duck race, bro. That was a long one. I don't think I'll ever do that again. That was hella long, dude. That was too long. Yeah, there is a new. You can't trade news, guys. With Fund the Pro Futures, unfortunately, you can't trade news. But guys, that is the stream. It is a W. I'm gonna close full position. I'm out. I'm gonna just close it out. You know what? I'm happy with that. How much? $600 on the account, on the funded. I'm happy with that, guys. Well done to everybody, man, that took the trade. You guys are honestly amazing, and I'm glad that I could, you know, help guide you guys on the bias of today. Follow me on Instagram, guys, CAMSORBET, if you don't already. And I'm going to prepare for a New York session trading with my community. So if you want to be part of that, go over to my Instagram. Anyways, guys, I love you all so much. I'll see you tomorrow. To the winners, congratulations, guys. DM me on Instagram, okay? I will get you your account. And we're live again tomorrow, same time on YouTube. So I'll see you all there. I love you all with all my little big heart, okay? Cheers, everybody. Oh, wait. All right. Cheers, guys.